Well, Deborah, this program was designed hand in hand with an advisory group of parents who wanted to know the best way to talk to their family and friends about getting their kids vaccinated.
The overall goal is to really ensure that parents are making a decision that is based in evidence.
Because the vaccination rate of young children is lagging well behind that for adults. In Maryland, since the Pfizer COVID vaccine was approved for kids aged 5 to 11 in November, less than 30% of the state's population in that group has gotten at least one dose.
I think for the longest time when COVID started, the message was good news, it's really mild in children, right? So I think a lot of parents are sort of like, I don't think it's going to be severe for my kid because that's what I've been told, right? That's what I've been hearing. And then the second is really a safety issue that this is a new vaccine. It wasn't tested in gazillions and gazillions of children.
But a new online program produced by the Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health is geared specifically toward parents and how to talk to a friend or family member who may be hesitant to get their child vaccinated.
I think a lot of folks have less trust in the healthcare system, including doctors, but peers play a really important role with regards to information related to health, including information related to vaccines.
The course includes slideshows and videos and goes through step by step, starting with what vaccine hesitancy is and why people have it. Then details how the immune system works, followed by how vaccines are made for this virus and communication techniques for talking to someone with concerns. The final step is combating misinformation, how to identify it and correct it. It lays things out in terms that are easy to understand and is available to anyone who is interested.
I do think that having one-on-one conversations with peers, with people that you know and people that you trust is really the way in which we're going to continue to, I think, see some success with regards to vaccination coverage.
We've placed a link to the course on our website and our free mobile app. Reporting live downtown, Kim Dacey, WBAL TV 11 News.